chào, welcome to Viet Language channel, and today we are going to learn how to say common food names in Vietnamese. The word for food is đồ ăn. Đồ means things, ăn means to eat, things to eat. Đồ ăn. And the first word is cơm. Cơm, which means rice, because rice is very important to Vietnamese people and to all Asian people in general, right? The next one is a very popular Vietnamese noodles, phở. Phở. Rice vermicelli is bún. Bún. Ramen noodles is mì. Mì. A popular Vietnamese sandwich is bánh mì. Bánh mì also means bread, any kind of bread in general. Bánh mì. Soup is canh. Canh. Meat is thịt. Thịt. Beef is thịt bò. Bò means cow. Thịt bò. Chicken is thịt gà. Gà means chicken. Thịt gà. Pork is thịt heo. Heo means pig. Thịt heo. Fish is cá. Cá. Egg is trứng. Trứng. Vegetable is rau. Rau. Now, let's try to use these common food terms to say a specific dish name. Canh rau. Canh means soup. Rau means vegetable. Vegetable soup. Canh rau. Canh cá. Cá means fish. Fish soup. Canh cá. Another example is cơm gà. Cơm means rice. Gà means chicken. Chicken rice. Cơm gà. So how do you say beef rice? Yes. Cơm bò. Cơm bò. Another example is bánh mì trứng. Bánh mì means sandwich. Trứng means egg. Egg sandwich. Bánh mì trứng. So how do you say chicken sandwich? Yes. Bánh mì gà. Gà means chicken. Bánh mì gà. Easy, right? Now when you go to a Vietnamese restaurant, you can easily recognize the names of many dishes on the menu. Next, you can check out my other video about how to order in Vietnamese. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cảm ơn!